Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update Instagram Messenger and how to get swipe reply option on Instagram. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Instagram app. You as can see, Instagram Messenger option is not showing, and tap on this and tap on this, and you as can see swipe reply is not showing on Instagram. So how to fix it? Go back your home screen and open your Play Store app and search for this Messenger app. Tap on this and tap on install and wait a few minutes. After update your Messenger app and type on open and go back your home screen, and after that type on Instagram app. You as can see Messenger option and type on this and type on this, and you as can see swipe option is showing. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.